Imagine a world where tedious chores turn into moments of pure pleasure, where effort blends into ease and efficiency. A world where freedom is no longer a dream, but a tangible reality within reach. This world, my friends, is now at your fingertips thanks to the cordless blower Einhell GC-CL 18 Live. If you're interested, don't hesitate to click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right now. This cordless blower, Einhell, is ideal for gardening enthusiasts and those looking for a practical and efficient solution for maintaining their outdoor spaces. Its ease of use and performance make it perfect for homeowners who are keen on keeping their garden or terrace in pristine condition. It's not just a tool. It's the perfect companion for every gardening enthusiast and cleanliness aficionado. Lightweight, maneuverable, and with unmatched power, this blower redefines the standards of outdoor maintenance. Let's take a moment to consider its design, a vibrant bright red, symbolizing dynamism and efficiency. It is not just a simple object, but an extension of your will, a prolongation of your hand. Its power source, a powerful 18-volt battery, ensures an impressive runtime of 240 minutes. Forget the constraints of cords, embrace the freedom of cordless. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all. The Einhell blower stands out for its ability to turn the most arduous tasks into an enjoyable and quick job. With a speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute, and an airflow that can reach 210 km/h, it ensures effective cleaning. Whether it's to blow away dead leaves or dislodge the most stubborn debris. And it's not just its performance that impresses. This tool is a technological gem equipped with an electronic speed controller. It offers you complete control over the airflow intensity, allowing you to tailor your approach to each situation. Imagine the ease with which you will be able to clean your garden, garage, or terrace. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price to revolutionize your daily life. And let's talk about the handling. A true pleasure. The soft grip handle with a soft coating has been designed to ensure optimal comfort even during prolonged use. This means less fatigue, more enjoyment, and work accomplished with remarkable ease and efficiency. Let's also consider the practical aspect. Its light weight of 1.73 kg makes the Einhell blower incredibly maneuverable. It weaves its way everywhere, reaching the smallest corners of your outdoor space, leaving behind cleanliness and order. But this blower is not just a simple tool, it is a revolution in the world of gardening and outdoor cleaning. It is the symbol of an era where technology and innovation serve humanity, where work becomes pleasure, and where effort transforms into satisfaction. And let's not forget a crucial detail: this blower is part of the Power Exchange Day-Nail family, which means that its battery is compatible with a whole range of tools from the brand. Investing in the Einhell blower is an investment in a high-quality ecosystem of tools. Now, let's summarize the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Portability, lightweight and cordless, easy to transport and handle. Advantage number 2. Power. Powerful air blow up to 210 km/h. Effective even against wet or stuck leaves. Advantage number 3. Battery life. Long-lasting battery, 240 minutes, ideal for extended work sessions. Advantage number 4. Versatility. Electronic variator allowing adjustment of power according to needs. Advantage number 5. User comfort. Soft grip handle for a comfortable hold that reduces fatigue. Advantage number 6. Battery ecosystem. Part of the Power Exchange range, compatible with other Einhell tools. Advantage number 7. Quiet. Relatively low noise level for a tool in this category. Advantage number 8. Easy to maintain. Little maintenance is required due to its cordless design and electric motor. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Limited capacity. Although powerful for home use, it may not be suitable for heavier tasks or very large areas. Disadvantage number 2. Battery dependency. It requires regular recharging, and performance may decrease as the battery discharges. In summary, the Einhell blower is much more than just a simple device. It is a trusted partner, an ally in your quest for cleanliness and order. It is the tool that will transform your household chores into moments of pleasure and efficiency. To experience this, to transform your daily life, all it takes is a click. A click on the link in the description and you will be on your way to acquiring this revolutionary tool at the best price. Don't wait any longer. Join the thousands of satisfied customers and discover for yourself why Einhell software is a must-have. Click now and step into a new era of freedom and efficiency. Thank you for your attention and I hope to see you very soon.